Hello. Oil prices are up this week whilst gas and electricity prices have fallen. So let's have a look at the week's actions in some more detail. Brent prices eased on Monday morning. However, by the afternoon, the contract had gained value. Upward pressure was given to prices from a number of different factors. Firstly, data showed that US crude stocks had fallen for the first time in 6 weeks. And secondly, market participants were optimistic that President Trump would disclose progress being made in a trade deal with China. Prices were bullish on Tuesday morning before a sell-off at the close. As a result, prices closed range-bound to the previous session. Prices initially firmed on Wednesday as reports showed a drop in US crude inventories. However, the demand outlook was revised upwards, which alleviated some market participants' concerns about global oversupply. OPEC also commented that the 2020 US shale production growth is lower than first thought. Prices firmed throughout Thursday's session and front-month Brent closed at $62.71 per barrel, up $1.21 per barrel compared to last Friday. Gas demand was lower on Monday thanks to an increase in wind generation, reducing the need for gas-fired generation. The supply outlook remains healthy. UK storage facilities are near full capacity and LNG send-outs remain high, all of which contributed to the day's losses, and most contracts lost around half pence per therm. Prices continued to soften on Tuesday thanks to healthy system dynamics and weaker carbon. Wednesday's session was mixed. Prompt and near-term contracts fell as the system remained comfortable, whilst longer-dated contracts were directed higher by rising coal. All contracts posted gains on Thursday. However, strength seen later in the week was not enough to see a weekly rise, and last night all curve contracts closed lower than last Friday. Summer 20 closed down 0.5 pence per therm, whilst winter 20 lost 0.7 pence per therm. Power prices eased on Monday, taking their direction from falling gas. Renewable generation was healthy at 9 gig, which is nearly 4 gig above the seasonal norm. Contracts continued to shed value on Tuesday, again in line with a weaker, wider fuels complex. In line with gas, power prices were mixed on Wednesday, with near-term contracts falling and longer-dated contracts posting gains. Prices then rose on Thursday, but despite all of this, seasonal contracts closed lower than last Friday. Summer 20 and winter 20 closed down at 0.6 and 0.5 pound per megawatt hour respectively. You can download the full version of this report from our website. Thanks for watching as always, and we'll see you next week.